In the last video, we discussed about business cards, which are essential for reach and recognition of any business. Today, we have come up with another tool of marketing, brochure. What is a brochure? It's an informative document that you may use as leaflets, pamphlets, or booklets to convey your business information among the target customers. Hi, we're shapeNprint, and today we're going to talk about how can a brochure help to grow your business and ways to formulate an effective and presentable and marketable brochure. Before I proceed, I want you to make sure that you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for more such informational videos. As I already mentioned, brochures are informative documents that you may use to convey information about new launches like a new product or a new variety of an existing product or any kind of service that your business provides. They play an important role in marketing and advertising. Therefore, creating a brochure efficiently and making it work effectively is an important task. But it ain't as easy as you might think. Perfecting a brochure and conveying information without animations effectively is an important task and it's difficult. And retaining constraints to call customers for action is more difficult. The brochure should not just interest them readers in reading it tally, but taking a step towards their goal. Don't let your brochure become an airplane for a kid or just some random piece of paper that's being used for storing food. Instead, make it readable and useful for the customers and fruitful for you and your business. Now the question is, how to formulate a presentable, impressive brochure? Formulating brochure appropriately requires skills and efforts, but for you, we have compiled some of the easiest and simplest ways on what your brochure must contain. Here are 5 ways to have content for your brochure. Number 1. Headline runs the deal. There are days when you see a brochure and leave it on the table. And then there are days when you see a brochure and start reading the same. What compelled you to read that one brochure might be the headline. Therefore, creating a headline that will evoke the customer's attention is of utmost significance. It should consist of numbers, lists, and present facts to excite curiosity. Number 2. Quality and quantity are disproportionate. The words required for conveying the right information should be limited. Now, if you think of telling your customers about a newly launched product, you won't think of including lengthy descriptions. Few details with important information with images would work better than lots of words, which might make the reader leave the brochure on the table. Pick appropriate and limited words enough to send the message along with language and words which are understandable. Number 3. Customers seek relevant and understandable content. You cannot expect the readers to read everything you want them to. What's best is to try to evade from putting information that is invaluable and write content that serves their purpose. Try to use highlighters or pop-ups for information which can interest them customers more. Also, you can make the customer's experience uncomplicated by providing a QR code for your website rather than mentioning website, mail address, or other handles. Number 4. Eyes only recognize patterns. The next big thing to deal with content is how you would like to convey your information. Not everyone is into novels and not everyone is going to read your complete booklet, especially when it's more like a novel. Try to focus on the pattern of the content. Don't just fill them pages with words, play with them a little and make it creative. For example, customers are expected to read in an F-shaped pattern as per studies. So if you use to convey information the F-shaped pattern, it might help your brochure grab the attention and be observed by the customers. Number 5. Excellent graphics and fonts are hard not to look at. Since we were kids, we all have been attracted towards some colorful images and graphics on any book. Most of us still search for different types of headlines, colorful fonts, and graphics on any booklet we're offered. So, your brochure might acquire attention of customers if it's not only suffused with words, but for different kinds of images, colorful graphics, and different types of fonts. But make sure the images that you use do not invite any copyright issues and they are original. Also, keep the right font's content. An eye-catching, easily visible or legible font is imperative as there are all kinds of customers with varying sight restraints. A very well-designed, well-written brochure could help you to sell your business. Think about if you want to expand as a business and want to reach out to more clients and you don't have a brochure yet. Now's the time for you to sit down and look for a brochure. Some of the best sites are: number 1, Canva. You can create your own brochure and design it according to your choice with the number of graphics and templates available on the site itself. Number 2, shapeNprint. This site works as your virtual assistant. It has a number of verified freelance graphic designers who work live for perfection. Also, this site connects you with almost every print shop and makes sure that your print is delivered within 24 hours. Number 3, Creative Market. There aren't any free templates here, but they are worthy of the price. You can find a number of templates with amazing quality for any kind of brochure that you want. Number 4, Adobe Stock. If you use Adobe, then this is a pick for you. But here too, you have to pay a subscription fee, but they provide the option for 30 days free trial with 10 free templates. For assistance, we have mentioned the link in the description as well. Do visit the site. Also, do share your opinion in the comment section below and share and like this video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.